Hi, this is Sam. In this video, you will see the capability of our quality, risk, audit, and compliance management system, QDMS, that helps you comply with IATF 16949 if you are in the automotive industry. Thanks to the modular structure of our system, you can pick and choose the modules that you want to have and deploy on your cloud or on-premise server. In the following, you will see the module of our system for FMEA, risk assessment management, corrective actions management, and audit management. Let's get started. This is the homepage after you log into our system. You can see all the pending tasks and also the request for approval on this home screen, and you can get a quick connection by opening the widget on this particular request. On the top left, this is the main menu of our system. And first of all, we will go to the FMEA management module. In this module, we can manage different FMEA record. And once we have our record ready, then we can also create the information or add the information to this record. And while you're creating the item under this record, you can pick and choose the end date of this FMEA item, the generation date, and also the process step, the fault type, so forth and so on. We can enter all this information related to this FMEA item. And please keep in mind that all the fields and label that you can see in this screen, those are configurable, meaning we can always update the form design and also all the label that you can see on this screen based on the actual operation of your company. And once we have our FMEA information are entered, we can also define if there is any precaution actions are needed. For example, if we need any document connected with this FMEA record, or if we need any corrective action that is related to this record as well. So when we click create a new one, then the system will take you to the corrective action module of our system automatically. So this is how all those records that you create in our system, even in different modules, are connected with each other. And in FMEA module, there is a reporting tool available for you to create different ready-made report or getting your graphical report as well. As for creating the graphical report, we can put the criteria or the conditions before we generating it, and all your data will be shown on your right as a bar chart or a pie chart for sharing with any responsible parties. Then we can get into the risk assessment management module. Also, in the risk assessment management module, we can create different items or planning for different topic. And once it is ready, then we can create the risk assessment item. As for all the risk assessment item, they will be represented in different color, like green, yellow, or red. If they're in green color, meaning it's not like this risk is not likely to happen in our company, and also the impact is not critical to our company. And if it is in red, meaning the impact is critical and it is highly likely to happen in our company. As for risk assessment, it is not a one-time job. In order to have the continuous improvement, you can also update the version of your assessment and see the trend in this list, if it is getting worse or getting better. In terms of managing the risk assessment item, you can also see the version number, the source of the risk, the result, and also pick and choose the impact and likelihood from a scale. The system will automatically calculate the risk index and see if it is high, moderate, or low. And those will be represented in different color, as I mentioned. Also, we can create different precaution actions connected with this risk assessment, like attaching a document, pick and choose it from our control document management module, or create a new corrective action. As I mentioned, we have a corrective action module that allows you to create the corrective action based on our FMEA or risk assessment. We can also create a corrective action record directly by using this module. In this module, all your records will be defined into different status based on the progress that you're handling this particular record, like open, follow-up, plan, result. And we can create our record in the system by entering like the source, the non-conformity, and also the non-conformity category. After that, we can also pick and choose the solution team, which is going to be responsible for filing the first progress report, defining the root cause, creating and performing the corrective action, and also the follow-up action. And then we pull up one of the records that we have in the system. And actually, our system helped you to manage all those steps, step by step. And this is the report-like page that showed all the information related to this particular corrective action record, like the non-conformity, the solution team, the first progress report, the root cause, and also the corrective action in order to cope with the root cause that we have defined. And if there's no other follow-up action is needed, then we can close this corrective action accordingly. And then we come to the audit management module. In this module, we can create different audit planning for internal audit or external audit. As we have the plan for our audit, we can create the audit item. And while you are creating the audit item, you can pick and choose the start date and end date, and also the start time and end time. In addition, you can also invite the auditor and auditee to this particular audit item and attach any document if there is any. Once we save this, the auditor and auditee will receive a notification in our system and also in their email inbox, and letting them know there is an audit scheduled for the auditor and auditee. And other nice features that we have in our system is we can pick and choose the questions as a reference to the auditor. You can also record all the answers that you got from the auditees in our system. In short, by using our system, it's helped you to be ready for your audit operations anytime and anywhere. This comes to the end of my demonstration. Thank you for watching, and you're more than welcome to contact us for a free demonstration session.